Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining a reliable foundation. CSS variables for background, surface, text, and accent so you can switch theme values easily. Once done, add a prefers color scheme media query for native OS preference and a dark class on HTML for manual override. Make sure to audit images and SVGs now. You'll need light and dark-friendly assets or CSS filters. This early setup prevents scattered color rules and makes later updates fast and predictable. You now connect behavior to presentation. Write concise JavaScript that reads prefers color scheme, listens for changes, and stores the user's choice in local storage before applying or removing the dark class. Once applied, component styles should reference root variables only, so switches happen automatically. Make sure images and SVG icons either have a dark variant or use CSS filters and mix blend mode where appropriate. This separation keeps logic centralized and minimizes surprises during rendering. Finish by polishing contrast, focus outlines, and motion preferences so dark mode remains accessible. Once done, test across browsers, devices, and assistive tech. Default differences reveal missing tokens or third-party CSS leaks. If things go wrong, first clear caches and verify the dark class is present, then inspect computed styles for specificity conflicts or vendor styles overriding variables. Finally, document the token map so future contributors maintain consistent dark values without reintroducing hard-coded colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.